The plumbing in your home is an integral and vital part of your everyday life. Imagine the chaos if you couldn't use your sink or toilet because of blockage. Hidden leaks can cause health hazards like mildew as well as damaging the property itself. Extreme weather and hard water can also have an impact on your plumbing, so regular maintenance is essential. You need a plumber you can trust to get the job done quickly and efficiently using quality materials at an affordable price. But a qualified and licensed plumber doesn't only fix problems, they give advice on how to make your home more water efficient. They can recommend and install cost-effective appliances including water heaters, washing machines, and refrigerators. If you need a great plumber, contact us today.